What's up, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. The Carboy's back here, and today I'm bringing y'all another Copart walk around. But if you're not already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Help your boy get the 500 subscribers. We're on the way there. One click helps us get there even faster. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also hit the like button before the video even starts. And enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and get the Copart. But first, let's get a cold start. So you guys, we're here at Copart. We got some front end damage. Ooh, not too bad. Well, kind of is bad. The front end's jacked up. Man, a Dodge VIPER. Inside the Dodge VIPER, it says it's a running drive. Oh my God, that clutch is so heavy. On a VIPER, wow. I never thought this day would even come. No, they took the key. Wow, they took the key. Are you serious? Man, I wanted to start it. It was a running drive too, and they took the key. But here's the interior. I'm not sure what year this. This is a 1997 Dodge VIPER with all these electronic features. Oh, it's a low car, and it's kind of weird to get out of too, the way it's shaped. But I'm gonna pop the hood and show you guys. Next on the list, we have a Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. It's a 2017. I'm not sure if is this the one I put on the, is this the one we looked at? Nah, I'm not sure. I don't think this is the one we looked at last week. Oh, yes it is. It's because it's flooded. They just moved it over here. Never mind. I'm getting out of this one. On to the next one. Right here, we have a 97 Civic. Some nice rims, fat tires. Not sure why the window's down. I'm pretty sure this one doesn't run, but I just wanted to come look at it, pop the hood. This one is probably, I can't even bid on anything here in South Carolina because, and it has no key, but I can't bid on anything here in South Carolina because I don't have a dealer's license yet. I'm gonna work on that, getting one in the future, but for right now, I just don't have one because it's a lot of money goes into that, and I just don't have that right now. But yeah, I just wanted to come look at the engine, see what it had in here. Oh my God, look at all that oil. Yeah, we're gonna stay away from this one and move on to the next. Right here, we have a 06 Acura TL. Base model, but it has the navigation screen. The one I wanted one with the navigation screen, and it's dead. I got the key in it. I had that, I had one with the navigation screen, but you know, I sold that one to get the white one, so you know, yeah, so that's why I don't got the navigation screen anymore. But yeah, nice 06, black interior. On to the next. So it has started raining at Copart, and I'm still out here filming for you guys, so I better get a light for this. But right here we have a 2019 Toyota Camry. Has a bio sticker on it, so we're gonna go ahead and open it up, see what the bio is. I think I see the bio. I think it's Mo. Yeah, yeah, that's Mo. We're gonna get out of there, but I like how the roofs are black. That's a vinyl wrap, if y'all didn't know. That little black thing that's on the roof is a vinyl wrap. Next on the list, we have this BMW. Well, this really wasn't on the list. I just seen it and thought it was interesting the way it looked, so I'm gonna take a look at it. And it's locked. Never mind. But I am gonna take a look at this Ford Mustang right here though. It's a 2013 V6. It's not the GT. No power. Airbag is blown. Out here getting this footage for you guys in the rain. In front of it, we got a freaking smash Ford Raptor. What am I saying? A Ford Ranger? Oh my God, please do not disregard what I said. Do not say anything in the comments about, man, that's crazy. Next on the list, we have a 2015 Honda Civic Si. Almost fell. It is a... What is in the seat? Wait, what's going on in here? Hold on. Is this a bike? I don't know what's going on in here, but that seat looks nasty. And it has no power, so I'm not even gonna try to sit in there, but it might be a flood. Cause that's what it's looking like. It might be a flood. Red interior, well, it was red. It has, oh nah, I wouldn't say it's a flood. Can you open the hood? Let's see. Try to pop the latch. Well, the latch is popped, so that's a good sign. Okay, as we all know, the Honda hoods push all the way back. What is this? I've never seen a Honda. I've never really like looked at their engine, but it's a 2.4 liter. Are these turbo, or I don't know, or they're just tuned? Probably just tuned. And here we have a semi, a very huge semi with a full cab in the back. He left his hat. He left his earbuds. Refrigerator. He left stuff in the refrigerator. That shit stinks. It's got bunk beds, microwave. Dang. They live in luxury when they're on the road, don't they? But this truck took a mean hit. A very mean hit. Like, bad. But it says it's a run and drive. It's probably dead. Uh-oh. No, it's not. I've never started one of these, and I low-key don't want to, because I don't even know if the brake's on, so I'm not even gonna try to do that. So yeah, we're not gonna start. And I got the keys up. Oh no, I didn't. We're not gonna start the semi. But yeah, this is the inside of a semi truck, if you wanted to know what that looks like. On to the next. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Help your boy get to 500 subscribers. Also turn on your post notifications to be notified every time I upload a new video. And the Car Boys is out. Peace.